Casual dining in Circle Square, let's go check it out.
Meatworks is bringing bold flavours and it's not one to miss. Started off with some delicious mocktails and on the house, haystack onions. For starters, fire grilled king prawns, lovely with that crispy chili sauce, and steamed cheeseburger dumplings, a fusion of flavours. Preferred steak, the ribeye is a showstopper that was perfectly cooked and they went well with the short rib gravy. But the real star, Korean barbecue short ribs, 8 hours slow cooked, Korean glaze, absolute fave, will have you coming back for more. We got the meathead burger, chopped and stacked, saucy, it's messy, it's unbeatable. Stay room for dessert because the key lamb pie is the perfect tangy sweet finale. It's halal across the menu, go check them out.